Hi, my name is Edgardo, and I'm working as a welder based here in Dunedin. And I've been seeking for a job in a place like New Zealand, and I tried so many agencies, but still not succeed. This is the situation I had in the Philippines, and I could say I'm so lucky because I found Recruit NZ. I tried to submit resume online, and then after a while, they had a response giving me a chance to be one of the candidates. The process is very smooth from the start, giving a great offer without any cost or hidden charges, and guided from a kind and very supportive people of Recruit NZ. I am now part of a reputable company, surrounded by wonderful people here in New Zealand, and Recruit NZ has a big role in my life because they are the reason why I'm here working in New Zealand right now. And having the accredited employers work visa, I want to thank them all because this is the best opportunity that I've ever had. And I would strongly recommend Recruit NC to my friends and other colleagues having same trade to also grab a chance to work in New Zealand um, through the help and kindness of this kind of organization. Thank you so much again, and God bless to all.